Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Tim. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious chocolate mug cake. Not mud cake, mug cake. So it'll be in a cup, made in a cup, really simple and easy in just 5 minutes. This recipe is perfect for those late night cravings when you want something sweet and comforting. This one's perfect for you. So you'll find the full list of ingredients in the description section, but you don't need any crazy cookware for this cake. It's really easy. You're just going to take your flour, all of your dry ingredients, your flour and your sugar, your baking powder, salt and cocoa powder, and you're going to mix that all together nicely. I'm just using a fork to get this all mixed around. Make sure there's no big clumps inside. And then you're going to add in the wet ingredients, the milk, the oil, and a splash of vanilla extract just for extra flavour. And using the same fork, you're really just going to mix it together. It only takes 15-20 seconds and you'll have a beautiful thick chocolate mixture, and you don't even need to cook this in the oven. 1.5 minutes in the microwave and it's done. Make sure you put your microwave on high. Give it 1 minute and 30 seconds. And you've got yourself a beautiful mug cake in a cup. You can top it with whatever you like. I'm just using some chocolate chips here. Nice and hot as soon as it's come out of the microwave, so those chocolate chips will melt in, make it that little bit more rich. And a delicious nighttime snack. So there it is, the easiest, the most delicious chocolate mug cake that you can make. Perfect for those late night cravings. Be sure to give this recipe a try. Hit down in the comments, let me know how it turned out for you. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, get that notification bell on for more great content.